Shelf Life! Oh, so check it out, man. Shelf Life Season 1 was born in a flat. I was shooting on my own. It was really hard. We built a studio, got the good cameras. It's bigger, better, weirder, and it's brand spanking new.
We're hungry. We're smart. Right. That's not the right tool. Ooh, I love to cook for you.
What? Every week I'm going to be strolling down the different aisles of the Shelf Life supermarket, cooking you guys some of my favorite food and throwing out some tips on what is good.
That is the absolute ticket.
This is fresh, exciting food for the new normal, and it's coming real soon. This is passionate cookery that'll warm your soul and make you crumble.
Just look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's good.
There's an amazing deal on Shelf Life. Buy none, get 6 free. We love our customers.